Hello students, how are you? Fine. So today we are going to start our next type of lens, that is concave lens, right? तो आज बच्चों हम शुरू करेंगे concave lens. Is it clear? So in the last video I have covered convex lens which has 6 cases, and now I am going to cover concave lens which has only 2 cases. Is it clear? So first case, my dear students, I hope you know that concave lens is a lens which is curved inward. Is it clear? So you can do like this, and this is a principal axis. So this you can take it as f1. So my dear student, this will be 2f1, okay, and this side you will have f2, so this will be 2f2. Is it clear? So first we will keep the position of object. I hope you know that position of object, where we'll keep at infinity. Is it clear? The position of object is at infinity. Suppose I'm keeping object very far, and you know that the light ray which is coming from infinity are always parallel rays. तो यानी ये जो लाइट आएगी वो सीधा आएगी, ठीक है बच्चों, और यहाँ से टकराने के बाद it diverges. Is it clear? Suppose one more ray is coming parallel to the parallel rays, ठीक है. So after refraction it diverges, okay, and you will feel that it is diverging away from focus. Now these two light rays will not meet, so हम लोग को क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to extend it backward, and when we extend it backward we will see that the rays are meeting at focus. So that means, my dear students, position of image will be at focus. Is it clear? Now if you see about the size, what about the size of image? It is point size, and if you see the nature is what? Is it virtual or real? You see, light rays are not actually meeting. We are making it backward extension, so you can call it as virtual and erect. So this is the ray diagram. Is it clear, my dear students? So this is case 1. We have kept the object at infinity. Image कहाँ बना है? Focus में, okay, and what is the size? Point size बहुत छोटा है. And what is the nature? It is virtual and direct. Why virtual? Because light rays are not actually meeting. We are making the light rays coming backward. Is it clear? So my dear student, इसको अच्छी तरह से बना लीजिए नोट में और मेरे को व्हाट्सएप कर लीजिए, राइट? चलिए बच्चों, अब हम बात करते हैं नेक्स्ट केस की. तो नेक्स्ट केस क्या है बताइए? मैं इसको पूरा मिट देता हूँ बच्चों. बताइए नेक्स्ट केस क्या है भाई? मैं सुन रहा हूँ आपकी बात. चलो मीट ही देता हूँ मैं, क्योंकि इसमें क्या है कि आपको दोबारा से बनाना पड़ेगा. अच्छा है. तो बच्चों नेक्स्ट क्या है रे डायग्राम कॉनकेव का? बताइए. So this is the concave lens which is curved inward. This is the principal axis. You take this as f1. So this is f. So this you can take it as f2, and this is 2f2. Is it clear? So my dear student, now you will, फिलहाल ये लैंडमार्क को भूल जाइए. You are keeping object here. Okay, my dear students. So this position you can call it as between infinity and optical center. So where did I keep the object? I kept the object between infinity and optical center. Is it clear? Now light ray is coming, it diverges, okay, away from focus. Next, the light ray which is passing through the optical center will go undeviated, सीधा निकल जाएगा. अब बच्चों ये दो लाइट रेस तो मिलने का नहीं है बहुत, दे आर अवे फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू डू बैकवर्ड एक्सटेंशन. तो जैसे अब इसको पीछे करोगे तो ये लाइट रेस यहाँ आएगा, अब जैसे इसको पीछे करोगे यहाँ मिलेगा. सो दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर यू गेट द इमेज. सो दिस इज ए बी, this is A dash and B dash. Is it clear, my dear students? So what is the position of image? Again you will write between 2f1 and f1. Size of image क्या लिखेंगे बच्चों, बोलिए? Diminished. Nature आप लिखेंगे बच्चों, क्या लिखेंगे? Virtual and erect. So this is case 2 where you have kept the object between infinity and optical center. An image is formed between 2f1 and f1. Sorry, f1 and optical, गलती लिखा ना मैंने, between f1 and optical center. तो बच्चों इमेज हमेशा इस केस में F1 और ऑप्टिकल सेंटर के बीच में ही बनेगा, और आपको जो साइज़ रहेगा वो डिमिनिस्ड यानी छोटा रहेगा. और नेचर आपको मालूम है वर्चुअल एंड डायरेक्ट. वाई वर्चुअल? बिकॉज लाइट रेज आर नॉट एक्चुअली मीटिंग, वी आर मेकिंग द लाइट रेज टू कम बैकवर्ड. सो दिस इज द टू केस ऑफ कॉनकेव लेंस, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. इज इट क्लियर? तो बच्चों मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको समझ में आया होगा ये वीडियो. कोई डाउट है तो फ़ोन करिए. बस मैंने आपको कॉनकेव लेंस का दो केस समझाया है. वन, द ऑब्जेक्ट इज केप्ट एट इन्फिनिटी, अनदर द ऑब्जेक्ट इज केप्ट बिटवीन इन्फिनिटी एंड ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. इन फर्स्ट केस इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड एट फोकस, इन सेकेंड केस द इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड बिटवीन फोकस एंड ऑप्टिकल सेंटर. इन फर्स्ट केस you got image as what? Highly diminished, and in second case you got as diminished, and in both the case you got virtual and erect. Okay students, so next video we are going to discuss about the linear magnification, lens formula, about power of the lens, and about sign convention. Is it clear? Okay my dear students, all the best. Hope to see you in the next video.